I'd flip that. And as you can see, we've had a great weekend in sales. And so, yeah, Joe's going to tell us about all these treasures that he found and that he flipped and how much he made this weekend.
Welcome, everybody. So we sold 18 items since Friday afternoon, and we'll just start from over here. A vintage old Coleman lantern, metal case, which doesn't happen very often to find. Bunch of extra stuff for it. It was made back in '72. I paid probably $10 for this, and it sold for $75.
What? Oh wow, I didn't realize you got that much for it.
This is another vintage old Coleman lantern, but this is broken. It's missing the glass, and I got it for free, and I sold it for $17. A flintware pot, 3-quart with the lid, and that sold for $27, and I probably paid $6 at Goodwill. I actually picked this paintball marker up just 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I think we had that in our last video, right?
Actually,
I think it was just a week ago, right?
I paid $15 for the marker.
And you turned it into?
$110.
Nice.
I took a best offer. I was asking $140. Sold a bunch of church DVDs, children's movies, and I picked those up for free, and they sold for $20.
$20 for spreading the word.
Spreading the word, and we're also spreading the word again.
Oh, of course we are.
Bible, that sold for just $9.
And did you get that at the last hotel you stayed at, or where's that from?
Yeah.
No, really?
I don't even know. I've actually had it sitting in a bin for a while, and I put all the books on the sale. So I've been selling actually quite a few Bibles over the week. The Monk Season 6. It's still new, but the plastic is ripped on it. That sold for just $9. I think I got it for $1 or maybe even free. Part of like a whole bunch of stuff. An X-Men PlayStation game. I got $6 for it. It wasn't worth a whole lot, and somebody sent me an offer, and it's finally gone. A Twins jersey, Joe Mauer. I've actually had this listed for quite a while, and it sold for $17.
That's it?
Yeah, it's Joe Mauer.
Oh, sure.
But it's not a great jersey.
It just looks
either.
Nice.
Oh, it does, yes. But it's just...
But then this other jersey.
Yeah, so this other one is a Rod Carew in the baby blue. And I paid $15 for it, and it sold for $125. I had no clue when I bought it, and when I started looking at it and listing, there was not a single jersey of his like that. And the last one that sold like this was selling for $125. Dog bark collar. Picked this up for $1 just last week, and it sold for $25. Picked up a little keyboard.
Shut up! I had that when I was a kid.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Oh, with the cord. It was an estate sale. It was the last day, actually like the last half hour. It was fill a bag for $10. So I'm in this for maybe $1, and it sold for $25.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Marvel Legends action figure, Scarlet Witch, which of course was in the WandaVision as her, so she's pretty popular. Plus Thor's dad's Build-A-Figure guy is in it. That sold for $43. I think I got it at Goodwill for $8 a long time ago, and just finally listed it a while ago. Picked this up on Friday. So in case you don't know, sports cards are crazy hot right now, and I've never seen this bigger box for. And $40 I paid, it sold within 4 hours, 5 hours for $145.
Just from walking in Target.
Walking into Target.
But it's only one per person.
Yes, they limit now to one per person on buying anything. So you can't like just load up on a whole bunch of these. This is the only box they had too, so.
Otherwise, Joe was gonna go and put a disguise on and go back, he said.
I was thinking about
And
it.
he would have done that, people. Trust me, he would have.
American Girl doll Seeing Eye Dog. This was my daughter's. She doesn't want her American Girl stuff anymore and wanted to sell things to save for college. So this sold for $18. I've had it listed for almost a year. So
So you
I'm
never
glad-
know when the right person's gonna
glad
come
it
along.
finally sold. Yep.
Right.
Guitar Hero for the Wii. I got this free at a church sale or $1. I don't know. And it sold for $27. No game, no nothing. The important thing is it's got the back part.
For the
And
battery.
the easy thing is this part comes apart and it ships really small box. A Boston Celtics Adidas hat. Kind
It's a
of
pretty sweet hat.
It
I like
is.
that hat.
like flannel look. Maybe $1 or 50 cents, and it sold for $9. And the last big
The
fun-
grand finale.
Grand finale, yes. And IBM. I have to look this up. IBM personal typewriter from 1982. Was at a sale actually just the other day. I walked through the whole thing and I was walking out and I saw this and right away I knew it was old and quick looked it up. If it works, we're looking at a $500 typewriter. If it doesn't, we're still looking at a $150 typewriter broken that somebody will buy for parts. And looking up other ones, nobody has the manual or the bag. So I listed it on Saturday and it sold in the morning for $140. I took somebody's offer.
For a broken typewriter, people.
That they wanted $20. We plugged it in, didn't work. I said, will you take 10? And they said yes. So I paid only $10 for that.
And what people do with that? What do they do with that? I have no idea, but I just love whoever bought this.
And by the looks of it, he buys broken ones, uses the parts, fixes other ones, and then now he
Because
sells it. He's the guy that's selling it for the
people
$500.
type on that somewhere in the
You
world.
need it for a movie prop, maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. I just love it because I really didn't think Joe could flip that. Let alone flip it in under 24 hours.
Right.
So props to Joe.
Lots of big items.
Yeah, we had a
sold
great
this
weekend.
All right, so looking at what we sold, 18 items. The total is about $830. And I'm looking at clearing after the cost of the goods, the taxes, eBay's fees, a little more than $500 for just
Woo!
the last 2.5 days.
Nice.
So yeah, keep watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you know when we put out new videos, and like the video. And if you have any comments on the cool, awesome stuff I sold, leave a comment. We'd like to talk.